Hello and welcome. Today we're exploring the Homtone 16 cups food processor, perfect for shredding, slicing, doughing, and chopping. This powerful 600W processor features a BPA-free 16-cup bowl and a big feed chute for easy prep. With 3 speeds and 6 versatile blades, you can whisk, puree, grate, slice, and even make dough effortlessly. It includes a dual locking system for safe operation and offers a stylish, compact design that fits any kitchen. Whether you're making sauces, cookies, or chopping veggies, this all-in-one tool handles it all. Plus, it comes with a 24-month warranty and lifetime technical support for peace of mind. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.